How to fix character AI not loading. So if you have this problem with character AI, what you're gonna have to do, first of all, you're gonna have to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Then you're gonna have to make sure that you're not using any VPNs. Now, after you make sure that you are okay with all these two, you're gonna have to basically to clear your web browser cache. So you're gonna have to go to settings. Now, as you can see, I'm using Chrome. Then go to privacy and security and click on delete browsing data, and then choose all time, and just choose cookies. So don't enable those here. And then click on delete data, and basically this should fix the problem. Now if this doesn't fix the problem, you can easily try to use the character AI app on your mobile device. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.